Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a few DIY Diya ideas. For the first one, take a cylindrical sheet and start cutting 6 equidistant cuts. Once that's done, take a plain sheet and paste it with the glue. Now, start coloring it. Add some mirrors to finish it off. Now, take a CD and color it. Add glitter to jazz up. Now, take a tea light and stick it in the center. To decorate the CD, you could totally do it your way. Next up, take all your CDs and attach it to the cuts you made in the beginning. And there you have it, your stand Diwali Diya. For the second DIY, take some pistachio shells and color them. Now, take a circular sheet and, with the help of a glue gun, start making a flower. Just keep adding shells in layers. Keep in mind you have to make a flower. Once all that's done, place a candle in the center. And the pistachio diya is ready.